Good day, welcome back again. And this will be the part 3 of working with documents. So, in this part, we will be dealing with two things: closing your document without exiting MsWord and opening documents that are closed. Now, to show you how to do this, what we will do first is pull up one of the documents that we already created. So if we go to the taskbar and let's pull up practice document 3. Now if you want to close this document, we're going to look at a number of ways. So first is by using the menu bar or the tab bar, and we can do that by going to File, and you can look for Close, and this is Close. And if you click Close and if you save the file, it will close. And if you've not saved the file, there's every likelihood Microsoft Word will ask you to save the file before closing. So I'm going to click Close now, and immediately the file is closed. Now if I want to practice again with another way of closing a file, I will pick another document. So let's go to the taskbar again, and this time I will pick document 5, and document 5 is not saved. We haven't typed anything, so let's type something there and try to close it. This time, instead of using File and Close, I will not do that. Rather, I will use the shortcut called Control plus F4. So which means I press and hold my Control key or button on the keyboard, and then press F4 key also on the keyboard, and then release it. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll see what happens. So I'm pressing my Control key, and this is my F4, and immediately Microsoft Word tells me Word wants to save changes to your document, and that's because I've made some changes to the document without saving it. And if I want to save it with a name, I would say yes. If I don't want to save it and just close the document, I would say don't save. And if I really want to abort the operation of saving, I will go to cancel. So I don't want to save it with another name. I want to just simply close it without really saving the document. So I will say don't save, and it will not save it and still close it. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'll click don't save, and then you see the document is closed. So that's how you can close document, either using the file menu and close command, or you use Control plus F4. Now I want to open the document that I just closed, or it can be any document that you want to open in your Word application. So let me go back and open one of the practice doc that we just did. So to do that, I will go to File, and I will go to Open, and when I click Open, again I get these options like you're familiar with, and I can use this PC. I will double click it. You can also use Browse by clicking it. So I go to this PC by double clicking, and I get a window, and I go to the location where it is stored. So I go to Documents, and I go to PTC Practice, Word, and I have 3 of them. I will just choose one of them. So I'm going to choose Practice Doc 3 in this case, and I will either click on it and then click Open, or I can double click on it. Depends on what you want. So for practice purpose, I will just click on it and click Open, and there it goes. And I can increase the zoom so that we can see what's written in it. So that's how you open a document. Now the other way is by using the shortcut Control plus O. So which means I want to open another document, maybe practice doc copy 2. I can just simply press the Control key on my keyboard and hold it, and then press the letter O, and you see this same window comes up where I can browse to where I want to open the document from, and this goes straight to the location where I have it, so I don't need to check anymore. So I will go, this time I will double click to open a document instead of clicking and clicking open. So I will double click my mouse, and there you see that I've opened practice doc 3 copy 2. Well, you can also just save and minimize it to the taskbar, and you can also save this one, which is the practice doc, and it's saved. You can minimize it to the taskbar. And that brings us to the end of this video for today. The next video we will be looking at printing documents and exiting Word. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video.